Welcome! Are you concerned about your privacy when using Gmail on your Android device? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to prevent Gmail from accessing your microphone. Let's dive into the steps. First, grab your Android device and go to the settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and find the Apps option, then tap on it. This will display all the applications installed on your device. Now, locate the Gmail icon and give it a tap. This action will direct you to the app's information page. Once you're there, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This will show you what permissions you've granted the app. You'll see a section labeled Microphone. Tap on it, and here's the crucial step. Select Don't Allow. This simple change will restrict Gmail from using your microphone, keeping your conversations private. And that's it. You've successfully prevented Gmail from accessing your microphone. Remember, taking control of your privacy settings is essential in today's digital world. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips.